Hi guys, we're out today to replace the top mount on this Grand Scenic. So I was called out a couple of months ago to replace the shock absorber, and I advised the customer then that it needs a top mount, so he's called me out today to replace it. Okay, so we stripped it down and we found the top mount looking like this. It had ripped all the way through. So what the top mount is, it sits on the top like that, and obviously the wheels pivot, don't they, when you turn? Yeah. So when sorry, I got my boy here with me today. So when you turn, it needs to pivot. So that allows it to pivot until there's a lower ball joint, so those wheels are able to turn. Understand that, yeah?
Yeah.
You can see the difference on the new one here compared to the old one. It was absolutely shot, which created a couple more problems for us. So you can also see we've replaced that. You can also see he changed the wheel bearing and forgot to put the ABS sensor back on. And you put the pads back on the wrong way, force it grinding. Now that's a perfectly good reason why you shouldn't be fixing your own car, especially if you're not 100% sure what you're doing. Unfortunately, because of the dangerous situation, I've had to charge this customer a little bit extra. That's it, that's job done. I didn't record as much as I would like because we were a little bit frustrated with it because the spring was obviously expanded, and I was trying to focus on not losing my head rather than making footage. But yeah, it's just one of those things. Don't work on your car if you don't know what you're doing, and there's our spring changed, our top mount changed.